Just come to do an inspection at a property at Thornton, Cleveleys. They've had the EPS bead installed. Obviously you can see the house is K-rendered, and this is how they've left the holes. They've just used normal sand and cement. They haven't even tried to disguise it, or they've basically made such a mess, it's unbelievable. It's just looks like they've used a catapult to point the holes back up again. As you can see, they go all the way up to the peak of the property. They haven't even attempted to blend it in at all on a K-rem property. So this is the insulation what they've used. It's the EPS beads. And as you can see, it's all very loose. There doesn't seem to be much adhesive in there. I'll take this out, what I've just put in, and you can see it's all coming out of the cavity. So basically they've blown the bead into this property in dry. They've used no adhesive whatsoever. So when the customer's having any bits of work done inside the property, it's all over spilling inside the house. It's coming through vents, but then I'll just put my hand in here. You can also see that the insulation's wet as well. And this is the new stuff, the EPS bead. Cannot have any problems with this. You can see on my hand it's wet. And there you go, it's all just dry. No glue used at all, wet insulation. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.